Today I'm making fruity cereal treats. First, in a large pot, of 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, add half a can of sweetened condensed milk. Then add 1 bag of mini fruit marshmallows. Next, cook this on medium heat until everything is melted. Once everything is melted, turn the heat off and add 10 cups of Fruit Loops and mix that up until the Fruit Loops are combined in the marshmallow mixture. Next, add the Fruit Loop mixture into a 9x13 pan and spread it out. Lastly, drizzle some white chocolate on top and let this cool for 1 hour before slicing. Here's a piece of the fruity cereal treats.